Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Let me introduce you this time the Thinko X-Talk X Pro 2. This is the wireless intercom headset by Thinko. It's a headset system which works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. And this is a talk network. That means you does not need a router or something else. And it works over 1,640 feet. That's 500 meters. This is a long distance. Range communication and headset for live shows, for stage performance, and for movie shots. Here it comes, the X Pro 2 for 2 persons. It's also on the market. You can use it the X Pro 5. That means you can talk to 5 persons at once. Really cool. And you can, of course, extend it. You can add more of them into the system. Expanded team communication to 500-meter distance. We have 2 high-gain external antennas. This greatly boosts the transmission signal of the XP Pro headsets. This delivers a 500-meter reliable connectivity range between us and our crew. Instant response. Backlink ensures there's no need for long distance movement while waiting for the system to reconnect. It is strong anti-interference capability. This is suited for complex and large events with large numbers of guests. In the hundreds and thousands, of course, you can handle this. Oh yeah. No matter film shooting, sports, live events, company holiday parties, industry conferences, or professional seminars. They've got us covered. And experience NS 2.0 AAC spanning from the 150 Hz to 7 kHz. The X-Talk Pro features advanced AEC technology. This eliminating echoes, reverberations, and unnecessary ambient noise. Even in a noisy environment, it ensures a clear recognition of voice, guarantee precise and accurate conversations. We can elevate our communication to new heights with the X-Talk Pro. Activating noise reduction with just one click, so that our team isn't disrupted by the background noise anymore. And supercharge the signal with boost mode. The breakthrough feature by Thinko called Boost Mode allows us for intelligent spectrum switching at the click of a button. Signals are instantly multiplied, effectively enhancing the communication quality with ease. We say goodbye to weak signals during calls, through the wall communication issues and complex signal interferences, elevating team call quality to the next level. And we have here a selectable master for communication flexibility. We elevate the group communication dynamics with a Thinko's groundbreaking master-free algorithm, which allows the flexibility to designate any headset as the master device, ensuring uninterrupted sessions without battery concerns. Assemble a group of 2 up to 13 people for any conversation topic to our choice. And we have Smart Flow Sync with a unique 3.5mm real-time monitoring possibility. We unleash the power of unique real-time monitoring and wired headset functionality in one. Seamlessly communication with this team while monitoring the audio from devices like cameras and recorders. And no need for another headset. Perfect for field control, personal conversations, the shooting process, catering to the needs of on-set commanders, directors, supervisors, and more. And with a unique one-button remote muting function. The dominant mode mirrors the mute all remotes, features a live streaming session to enhance the communication and the professionalities. The master now processes a potent one-button control to mute all remotes instantly during disruptive conversation or disagreements, ensuring undivided attention on the master's dialogue. And we connect all day with rechargeable and replaceable batteries. The low power design and the powered by rechargeable and replaceable batteries, the X-Talk Pro X, ensures us easily power up our headset for working over 24 hours. 2 slots charging stations power up our charging efficiency. We stay connected and communicative throughout our day. Confident in the reliability of the X-Talk Pro efficient battery system and its optimizable portability and the durability too for on the go. Crafted from lightweight ABS materials and smooth leather, an X-Talk Pro weighs just 188 to 6 pounds. With the battery, 6 pound, 6 ounce, with the battery included, ensuring comfort during the extended use. The upgraded over-ear leather cushion is designed to fit the ear, providing enhanced stability and comfort. This making it easier for challenging work environments, of course. This is the real beginner set for your movie shoot or your sports event shoot or something else, which you have to communicate with your crew. This all brings to us the Synco X-Talk X Pro 2 wireless intercom headset system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!